Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and happy first of fall. To celebrate the first day of fall, we are going to be doing a fall makeup look. So we're going to get into the yellows, the burnt oranges, the nude colors, the bold lips. Actually, I don't think I'm going to do bold lip today, but we'll see what the look brings us. So let's get right into it. Grab your brushes, grab your nude mattes, get your pumpkin spice latte drinks, get a pumpkin cookie, whatever it is that you like about fall. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching it at the end. Leave me a comment down below what your favorite thing is about fall. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And let's get into the fall makeup. Brows are done. Actually, I do have to prep my eyelids. I'm going to use the Instant Age Rewind concealer to prep. A little issue, well, not issue, but I mean, I don't know how happy you guys are going to be about this, but I'm going to be using an eyeshadow palette that is limited edition because it comes out like different palettes every year. Some of you may already know what I'm talking about, but I do have substitutes so that you guys can get into the look as well, so don't worry. I am going to be using the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I bought this last year because I am a collector of these palettes. I have the gingerbread one as well, but they came out with a new one this year and I fumbled and missed out on the online opportunity to buy it, so I have to wait till they restock online or until they bring it out in stores. I have never even touched it. I think I did like some swatches of it before, but I never actually got to play with it. Other options, if you do have it in your collection or if you want like a affordable option, Urban Decay Born to Run palette has the similar color scheme as the Pumpkin Spice palette. Here, let me show you. As you can see, the color scheme is kind of similar in a way. You got your purples, you got your burnt oranges, your nude colors. If you want to go more affordable, Wet n Wild has their 5-pan palettes. They come in different colors and the color schemes in their palettes pretty much are the same as the Pumpkin Spice palette. They're at Walmart for like $4.97, so it's not like a bad price or anything. So definitely check that out, but I'm going to go into the Pumpkin Spice palette because I've never used her. So the first color I think I'm going to go into is Pumpkin Spice as my transition shade, and it's this really pretty like orange color. And I'm going to take this big fluffy brush from Morphe. It is their 504 brush, my favorite blending brush. And I'm going to take that in the crease and blend her out. And so pigmented. I love these palettes, which is why I collect them each and every year. And if I miss out on the cinnamon bun, I'm gonna be so upset. And every one of them smell so good. The gingerbread ones smell like gingerbread, amazing. This one smells like a pumpkin spice latte. It smells amazing, and I can only imagine what the cinnamon bun smells like. With that color in the crease, I'm going to now go into Ginger Spice. Really pretty like burnt red orange color. Oh, look how that is so pretty. Oh, the smell of this palette is making me hungry. Even though I don't like pumpkin latte drinks, I don't mind like pumpkin flavored baked goods, you know what I mean? Not a pie, I don't do pies, but I've seen in the States at Trader Joe's that they have the Pillsbury pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Is that here in Canada too? Like, can I get that at Costco or Fortino's or something? Somebody let me know because it looks hella good and I need to have that. I need pumpkin cookies, I need the snacks, I need the sweets. I'm not going to go into a dark color for the outer corners like I usually would because I'm going to do like an eyeliner, but I don't know what glitter shade I want to do. I kind of want to do like a purple, do something crazy on the lid. I kind of also want to stay in the safe zone and use like a neutral color. These are kind of like the options. The bottom one is a gold color called Fall Vibes, and the top one is called Falling For You. It's green with like flecks of gold in it. These are my color options for shimmer shades. I kind of want to do this purple one. What is it called? PSL and Chill, which I think is such a cute name, but I kind of want to go into that one and be a little different and not go into like the neutral glitter shade and be a little different. So I think I'm gonna risk it all and do a purple. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. That actually looks, that looks kind of good. That purple risk was definitely worth taking. So I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Frap. What a perfect color name for this fall video, but it's a really nice like chocolatey brown eye pencil. And I'm just going to do like a winged liner with it and then smudge it out. Hopefully it goes well. So I'm going to smudge out that liner with Cocoa Drizzle, which is this brown shade here, on an eyeshadow brush. For my lashes, I'm going to use the Merit Beauty Lengthening Mascara. And this is all I'm going to put on my eyes because you guys already know that I don't do false lashes. I also layered that mascara with the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara because you guys know I'm highly obsessed with it. With the eyes done for now, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using the e.l.f. Blemish Fighting Putty Primer. I actually really like this primer because it does smooth over like my pores, but it also kind of gives you a glow as well. So I'm not going to go in with too much. And then I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know this is one of my favorite primers to use. I'll apply that to the rest of my face. Using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, I am going to spot conceal per usual. I'm not going to use a foundation today. You guys already know what it is. I like to keep it lightweight on my face, even though we do have a bold eye going on, but that's okay. I don't want to do too much to the face today, just around my nose, under my eyes, my smile lines, cover any blemishes that we got going on. And then once we blend it out, the concealer really just does all the work in covering and giving me the coverage that I need. I'm going to brighten up the under eyes a little bit using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color Golden Amber. I haven't used this in so long, but this used to be my jam when it came out. And with this product, you want to work fast because it does dry down super quickly. So we do one eye at a time. Work the product upward to clean up under the wing, but also to give our eyes a lift. Using the color Caramel in the Instant Age Rewind Concealer, I'm just going to go over top of that True Blend Concealer because this color is a little bit yellow under my eye, so I just want to neutral it out a little bit with Caramel. I'm just highlighting the center of my face. And then I'm going to do a quick contour action with the color Hazelnut. I'm going to go right under the cheekbones for a subtle contour action. So it didn't really contour, it's kind of more of like a bronzy color. I'm just going to use the Makeup by Mario shaping stick because it has like a darker tone to it, which is going to give us that shadow. Setting my under eyes using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in Honey Beige. I'm gonna give cream blushes a little bit of a break today and use a powdered blush. This is the Morphe Warm Master Blush Palette. I think I'm gonna mix these 3 shades together. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, and I'm going to go ahead and use the color Tulum. This used to be my favorite bronzer. I'm going to keep under the lash line nice and simple and just use the 2 colors that we used earlier on as the transition shades. I'm going to take up Pumpkin Spice, the color that we used in the transition, and blend that the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to take Ginger Spice and smoke that out on top. Alright, inner corner highlight. I think I'm going to mix Oh My Gourd with Crisp, which are like the 2 shimmer pink shades in the palette, these 2 colors, and put that in my inner corner. Ooh, that is so pretty. No, I like that. That inner corner looks so good. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so last but not least are the lips. I'm going to use the, I should use something else, but this is what I have on the table right now. The e.l.f. Nude 03 Lip Pencil. As this is my birthday month, I collected my birthday gift from Sephora and I got the NARS Duo, and I have the lipstick here in the color, I believe it's Laguna. I can't see anything at the bottom of this, but I'll have it in the description, but I'm pretty sure it's in the color Laguna, and it's this really pretty brown shade. I'm just gonna add that to the center of my lips. Yeah, no, I think this is supposed to be a lip balm. I remember now. I think it's a Laguna lip balm. Couldn't find the lipstick that I was looking for, so I'm just gonna use the Sweet Tea lip gloss from Morphe. And it's pretty much like done. I have another one open, but I can't find that either. My makeup drawers are such a mess. I have to clean them up, but here is the completed fall look. I am in love. The eyes are giving. I recommend all of you try out this eye look because it's it. Let me know what you think about this look down below. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite event, favorite thing, favorite food about fall is, what you're looking forward to this autumn season. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already for, you know, more beauty looks like this one, more natural like coverage content, because that's what I'm all about here on my channel. I also do styling and fashion videos as well, so look forward to fall fashion content and styling videos, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye!